Hey, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Are you looking for a reliable, precise Mitre Saw that delivers power in a compact package? Let us explore the Metabo KS 216mm Mitre Saw Lasercut 1350 watt 240 voltage, a tool designed to make your woodworking projects easier, more accurate, and efficient. This overview is to provide all the essential information to help you decide if this saw is right for you. The Metabo KS 216 is built with a sturdy die-cast aluminium body, balancing durability with portability at just 9.4 kilograms, making it easy to carry with one hand to job sites or around your workshop. Its ergonomic handles and a convenient saw head lock enhance its transportability. A standout feature is the integrated laser guide, which ensures you can see your cutting line clearly, paired with a bright LED work light to illuminate your workspace no matter the lighting conditions. The saw also includes an effective dust extraction system with an integrated scoop to keep your work area clean. For added versatility, it comes with extendable table with extensions that are removable, providing stable support for longer work pieces. A quick action clamp secures material from either the top or front, and all scales and controls are intuitively positioned for visibility from your working angles. The saw head tilts from -20 degrees to 47 degrees, allowing for undercuts, while the turntable offers fast, precise angle settings with stop points for common Mitre angles, making setup quick and straightforward. In terms of specifications, this saw features a 216mm diameter blade with a 30mm bore, powered by a 1100 watt rated input for continuous use or 1350 watts for short bursts. It operates on 240 voltage, delivering a no-load speed of 5000 RPM, a rated load speed of 3450 to 3800 RPM, and a cutting speed of up to 57 milliseconds. The cutting capabilities are impressive for its size. It handles a maximum width of 120mm at 90 degrees and 80mm at 45 degrees, with a maximum depth of 60mm at 90 degrees and 45mm at 45 degrees. For combined cuts, it achieves 20 multiplied by 60mm at 90 degrees by 90 degrees and 80 multiplied by 45mm at 45 degrees over 45 degrees. The turntable adjusts 47 degrees left and right, while the blade tilts 47 degrees left and 2 degrees right for precise bevels. The saw measures 475 by 465 by 285mm with support surface of 155 by 725mm and a 2mm cable for flexibility. The noise levels are rated at 93 decibel for sound pressure and 100 decibel for sound power. Included accessories makes it ready to use out of the box. A 40-tooth carbide saw blade, a material clamp, a chip collection bag, 2 table length extensions, a length guide, and a tool for blade changes. This saw is designed for cross cuts, mitre cuts, bevels, and grooves in wood and similar materials, though you will want to ensure the appropriate blade for your specific task. This Mitre Saw is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, woodworkers, and semi-professionals who need a portable, accurate tool for projects like home renovations, furniture building, framing, or trim work. Whether you are working on decking, stud walls, flooring, or cabinetry, its compact design and features makes it a great fit for those who value mobility and precision. Beginners will appreciate its straightforward controls and lesser guide, while professionals can rely on it as lightweight, dependable backup saw for a side task. However, if you are tackling heavy-duty industrial projects with thicker materials, you may want to consider a larger model, ready to elevate your working game with precision and ease. Visit our Amazon store today to check out the Metabo KS216 and start crafting with confidence. The link is in the description. Whether you are building your dream project or getting the job done efficiently, this saw is designed to deliver results without the hassle. This saw deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.